Your garbage disposal switch is either a regular switch on the wall near the sink or an air switch button if your sink is on your kitchen island. If something becomes stuck in the disposal, you will need to unplug the disposal and use the key to dislodge the item. Your disposal has a reset button that can be used in the event the motor overheats and shuts down. When operating the disposal, first run cold water. Cold water helps keep the motor cool and keeps greases and fats in a solid state as they run down your drain. Then turn on the disposal and add your food scraps. Avoid adding anything stringy like corn husks and celery, as they can tangle around the blades. Once the disposal is clear, shut down the motor, then turn off the water. Running a couple of cups of ice through the disposal will clean the blades. If the disposal develops an odor, baking soda and citrus peels can be run through to freshen it.